Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press bell icon for notifications.
Why you should sprinkle cinnamon on your garden. 1. Seedlings. Imagine little sea turtles hiding in their tiny mother's belly, breaking their small shell, climbing harsh surfaces, and running to the ocean to shelter. We all watched the documentary. Small turtles run, hunters enjoy a tortoise sandwich. That is the life cycle. But what if I told you that the same thing could happen to your young seedlings? 2. Wild mushrooms. As mentioned above with my little turtle analogy, mushrooms are not like cinnamon. Instead of spending a spring afternoon picking annoying wild mushrooms from your garden, give them a bit of cinnamon and watch them disappear. 3. Rooting hormone. Root hormone stimulates the growth of roots. Trying to get rid of chemicals from your household? Easily. Stop buying chemical hormones, just cinnamon on the trunk when you cut the tree. 4. Ant deterrent. We love cinnamon. Ants. Sprinkle cinnamon around your garden beds to kill ants, and keep them away. Ants in the house? Sprinkle some cinnamon near your entrance and watch the ants run. 5. Plant wounds. Accidentally cutting or hurting your crops can cause you to feel guilty and apologize to your plant. Rather than crying on the botanical shed, cinnamon dust is injected into the wound to encourage healing and prevent infection, which can cause infection.